Beneath the rainforest canopy and in the ocean's depths, intelligence thrives. Quiet, unseen, and ancient. We humans have long believed ourselves the sole keepers of intellect, but in the wild, creatures plot, learn, and remember. Tonight, we journey into the shadows to uncover the 5 most intelligent animals on Earth, a realm where cunning and emotion rule. These are not mere animals, but minds, watchful, deliberate, and astonishingly clever. Before we dive into their secrets, smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to Rare Encounters, because nature hides truths darker than you imagine. Deep in Africa's forests, chimpanzees gather beneath towering trees, their eyes glistening with a familiar spark. They are our closest living relatives, sharing nearly 99% of our DNA. But it's not just biology, it's the way they think, strategize, and conspire. Watch as a chimpanzee fashions a twig into a tool, extracting termites with practiced patience. A young chimp learns by imitation. This is teaching once thought uniquely human. Rival groups wage wars over territory, forging and breaking alliances with chilling calculation. They remember grudges, plan attacks, and use intelligence as a weapon. Chimpanzees can learn sign language, solve puzzles, and recognize themselves in mirrors, a rare sign of self-awareness. Deception is part of their world, hiding food from rivals, waiting for the perfect moment. Mothers pass down survival secrets, weaving knowledge through generations. Their society is rich with laughter, grief, and joy, a tapestry as intricate as our own. To watch a chimpanzee grieve is to recognize the depths of their emotion. Their intelligence is empathy as much as calculation. In every glance, the chimpanzee reminds us intelligence is not ours alone. It is a flame that burns in the heart of the wild. Far beneath the ocean's waves, dolphins move with a grace that belies their formidable intelligence. In these blue depths, sound is everything, and dolphins are masters of conversation. Each dolphin has a unique signature whistle, a name recognized for life. Through these sounds, they communicate, coordinate hunts, and maintain lifelong bonds. Dolphins teach their young, passing down hunting techniques and games by learning and imitation. Play is at the heart of dolphin society, racing, leaping, and tossing seaweed in underwater games. Dolphins use tools like sponges to protect their snouts while foraging, a trick mothers teach daughters. Their empathy is legendary, saving stranded swimmers, guiding boats, even fending off sharks. In the wild, pods encircle fish, corralling them with bubbles, a ballet of cooperation and cunning. Each member knows their role, communicating silently as they hunt. In captivity, dolphins learn tricks with astonishing speed, remembering complex sequences for years. They solve puzzles, recognize symbols, and sometimes outwit their trainers. Yet, their intelligence has a darker side. Dolphins can be mischievous, even cruel, engaging in complex social politics. Their minds mirror our own, capable of kindness and cunning. To encounter a dolphin in the wild is to glimpse another world, alive with ancient voices. The ocean is not silent. It is alive with minds waiting to be understood. High above fields and forests, a shadow glides, crows black-feathered and endlessly inventive. In the bird world, none rival the cunning of the crow. Crows are master toolmakers, fashioning hooks from twigs to extract insects. In cities, they drop nuts onto roads, letting cars crack them open. In labs, crows solve multi-step puzzles, planning moves in advance. They recognize human faces, remembering friend from foe for years. Those who feed crows may be rewarded with shiny trinkets, tokens of gratitude. Crows form close-knit family groups, working together to defend territory and raise young. They communicate with calls and body signals, passing information across generations. In the city, crows adapt, learning traffic rhythms, garbage schedules, and human habits. Their curiosity is boundless, their creativity unrivaled. Crows are not above mischief, playing games, sliding down rooftops, even stealing from humans. When a crow dies, others gather in silence. Crow funerals, a sign of understanding and grief. To meet a crow's gaze is to sense another intelligence, ancient and enigmatic. The black-feathered genius is always watching, always learning. Across the savannah, elephants move with stately grace, each step imbued with memory. Elephants are giants, but it's their vast emotional minds that set them apart. Matriarchs lead herds across hundreds of miles, recalling hidden waterholes and safe paths after decades. This memory is the living history of the herd, passed from elders to calves. Elephants recognize themselves in mirrors, a sign of self-awareness. Their bonds are deep. When a member is lost, survivors gather, caressing bones and standing vigil. Communication is subtle. Infrasound travels for miles, carrying messages of danger or reunion. Elephants work together to overcome obstacles, forming protective circles around calves. Young elephants learn by watching, absorbing the wisdom of the herd. In drought, the matriarch's memory guides the herd to water, ensuring survival. Elephants are capable of empathy, generosity, and forgiveness. To witness an elephant in the wild is to stand before living history, a mind linking past to present. Beneath the ocean's twilight zone, a ghostly shape glides, the octopus, alien and impossibly clever. The octopus is a master of disguise, shifting color and texture to vanish into its surroundings. Inside its bulbous head, a large brain pulses with curiosity. In aquariums, octopuses unscrew jar lids, navigate mazes, and operate levers with uncanny skill. Some sneak out of tanks at night, stealing food and returning unseen. Each arm operates semi-independently, tasting, touching, and exploring. This distributed intelligence allows multitasking and problem-solving unmatched in the animal kingdom. Octopuses possess vivid memories, learning quickly and recognizing individual humans. In the wild, they choose safe dens and avoid dangers with precision. Their curiosity knows no bounds, rearranging objects, squirting water at lights, even short-circuiting equipment. These solitary creatures watch and imitate, adapting and thriving. Their lives are brief, but their legacy is ingenuity. To gaze into an octopus's eyes is to meet a mind from another world, ancient and brilliant. From the ocean's abyss to the open sky, intelligence takes many forms. Chimpanzees, dolphins, crows, elephants, and octopuses, each a master of its world, each a reflection of us. These animals plot, grieve, and survive, not by instinct alone, but through memory, emotion, and cunning. Their genius is a quiet rebellion, reminding us that intelligence is far older and wider than we imagined. If this video shocked you, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Rare Encounters. The world is full of minds hiding in the dark.